What's up, everyone? My name is D and you're tuned into New Touch Auto. What you're looking at right now is a Cadillac Escalade that we did 3 years ago. Now this car returned, but not in its best condition. You're looking at this vehicle now and you see the peeling paint, you see the wrap is damaged, and you see a slight discoloration. That is what happens when you don't take care of your wrap. Quick education. If you don't properly wash, clean, and apply the proper wax, it won't survive. Using products that's not compatible, it won't survive. Leaving it out here in the sun without any protection of the coating, this stuff won't survive. Now check out the top. So we're down here in Florida where 3/4 of the year the sun is treacherous. This is exactly what happens. Areas like this right here, those are damages. The customer obviously peeled away what they can, sanded it down, and got it to where they wanted to be. What we do here, we give vehicles a new look, a new feel, and a new touch. So what we're gonna do for today, we're gonna go ahead and peel away this old wrap. This is not a tutorial. This is showing you how you can remove your old wrap or you can apply a new wrap. Now let's go ahead and get into the color right now. And here's the finish that we're going for. We're gonna hit it with the 3 color change film. You see the teal, the gray, and then you see that green. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these panels before I get it outside, and then you can tell me what you think. Let's go. So here we are at the end of this video. As you can see, we got everything placed back together on this truck. Check out the transition. Now we're gonna get this truck outside. We're gonna let you see what it looks like before and after. Because when it came in, we had some major problems, but we got everything back together and it's looking nice. This customer should be ecstatic, man. Check out the detail. We got that transition up in there too. We got it also on the rear. That's just what we do at New Touch Auto. We give you a new look, new feel, a new touch. Now y'all remember this side, it was terrible. But that new wrap has it looking like it never happened. But until then, man, we're gonna get this truck outside. You let me know what you think in the comments, and we're gonna show you a comparison. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Catch you on the next one.